So here we are at the LG booth. So you're going to introduce yourself, right?
Yes, I'm Zack Robinson with LG Electronics. I'm on the sled and education team out of Texas, covering the Central Territory. So here we are at ISTE with the LG CreateBoard booth. We've got direct view LED. We have interactive technology with our Gen 2 CreateBoard. We
You want to show me that?
Monitors. Yes, let's walk over to the interactive panel. See if we can navigate our way through. So here we are smack dab in the middle of the LG booth with our 86-inch LG CreateBoard. This is, the view we're seeing right now is our actual Chrome OPS, which is a brand new product for us, which is Google certified. Chrome OPS slot-in PC, small form factor PC built in. We're in the Android side now, which is an Android 11 operating system, which bolsters picture-in-picture to where we can have the OPS on one side and the Android on another. Of course, we have our interactive whiteboarding software via our Note. This will be our LG interactive whiteboarding software, which is our Note software. So this is a great software for our educators who are coming in wanting to create lesson plans, wanting to download from the cloud lesson plans they've created at home and expand upon anything educational for the students to better their viewing and interaction in the front of the classroom.
Okay.
So brand new technology for LG is going to be the Generation 2 CreateBoard. So built in, that's brand new, is going to be our Chrome OPS, which is certified from Google. And we are the first manufacturer to have a Chrome slide-in PC for the technology of the interactive. Moving down this way, we've got our projector, one of our brand new projectors. This is a classroom projector, which is 5,000 lumens. It goes up to 135-inch diagonal viewing out for the screen. Moving along to the next part, we've got one of our new 34-inch ultra-wide displays. So this is an IPS display that is 4K and it has advanced Celeron built-in processor inside. So it is a thin client 4K display. So here we have the Ultra Gear monitors. We have two 37.5-inch 4K displays at 144 hertz and a 1 millisecond refresh rate. So these are great for gaming. And above, we have one of our new all-in-one displays. So it's a single SKU, 136-inch diagonal DV LED, built into 77 individual panels and 4,000 hertz refresh rate.
So people can do more.
Here we have our UL series digital signage display. This is a 16:7 rated panel. There's a 4K IPS display with 60 hertz. This is best for menu boarding and digital signage, as well as wayfinding in the classroom or in a corporate section. This is the LG Guidebot CLOI. This is one of our new robots that we're building out to not only give service as far as where we need to go in a given setting, but also give information via a touch screen to help with wayfinding, as well as assist with hand sanitization and guiding an individual through a school or potentially a mall or a large setting where they need some help.
So this can even work as a display screen to say which kids are supposed to be where, kind of a thing.
It absolutely can. It can be coded into the software with the touch screen, and it can show either individuals' pictures or break it down by grade, however the administrator would like to, and then they could find their name or find their picture, and they'll say you're in room 203 or whatever it might be, and can give them guiding directions to take them to that location.
Love that.
This is going to be a brand new product for us as well. This is the LG Chromebook, which will be released in this next quarter. A big pull for this is that there's a handle, and it's also a rhino-lined texture on top of the Chromebook itself, so it's very durable, as I almost drop it. It would have been fine.
Yeah.
And is a true Chrome. So these are built to order and can be customized depending on your needs. This will be released in Q3 of 2023.